With a well-adjusted band, patients need less food to feel satisfied, and they feel less hungry for a longer period of time. This helps them control the amount and frequency of food intake. With reduced hunger, changes to their eating habits include good food choices and overall less food intake, help result in slow, sustained, long-term weight loss. Weight loss may typically lead to improvements in other health conditions. It's important to remind patients that their success is not just about weight loss. Focus them on non-scale victories, such as being able to do something their previous weight had prevented them from doing. An example in our practice was a 50-year-old lap band patient. She'd done extremely well with her lap band and lost a lot of weight. I went into the exam room and she was crying on the exam table. I said, "What's the matter? You're doing great." And she told me, "I just want to let you know that for the first time since I was a teenager, I was able to paint my toenails again." This is a great example of a non-scale victory. The lap band is a soft, adjustable band made of silicone that's placed around the upper part of the stomach. The band creates a small stomach pouch above where it sits, with the rest of the stomach below. The band is hollow, almost like an inner tube, and is filled with saline solution. The band is connected with a thin tube to a port that sits under the skin in the abdomen. To make the band tighter or looser, a trained health professional uses a Huber tip needle to inject or remove saline through the port. This can be done during a routine office visit. Described as a long-term implantable device in the FDA labeling, the lap band system is an implantable device intended for long-term use. Patients usually hope for lifelong use, which may be possible, but bands may need to be removed, repositioned, or replaced to manage complications or adverse events, or if the patients aren't losing as much weight as they want or that you think they should be losing. Removal should not be common, but when necessary, it's one of the advantages of the lap band system. Most band removals are done laparoscopically. Rarely is an open procedure needed to remove it. Removing the band allows the stomach to return to its preoperative anatomy and the digestive tract to the way it normally functions, but it also means patients will most likely regain weight.